Hey everyone, this week I'd like to talk about the foundation upon which we have built our U.S. public schooling. Now, the Founding Fathers of America had a vision for how education should work. In particular, I'd like to look at the Bill for the More General Diffusion of Knowledge, written by Thomas Jefferson. In this bill, he contends that a well-educated society provides for the best welfare of the state. That is, a well-educated society will be able to prevent tyranny, it will be able to prevent anarchy, and it will be able to provide the best quality of life for its citizens. And Jefferson also contended that the basics of all education should be made available to the public for free. Now, today we have responded to that vision. We can't help but respond to the vision, either by executing it according to the parameters established by Jefferson, or by ignoring it altogether. Today we have free education for the public through high school. We have non-discriminatory education. Women, racial minorities, everyone can receive education and it is required by law to receive education. We have standardized curricula. We have the No Child Left Behind Act, which ensures that everyone will be able to have equal treatment and receive the care they need. And we also have the Common Core. Responding to the vision as an individual is different, however, and this is kind of what I've wanted to look at personally this week for me. And that is, number one, as I've, developed my interest in education, I've explored the ways I can use my own education to benefit society. I want to pursue a degree in educational administration, as I've talked about in my previous videos, flipping the classroom setting, to be able to ensure that the students are really getting the most out of their education that they can. And other ways I've explored how my education can benefit society is to receive kind of like a confirming witness. We just heard about it in conference, confirming witnesses, that a well-educated society cannot fail and will provide the best welfare for its people. And as I've received that confirming witness, I've also felt a desire to help other people receive that same witness and have the vision that an educated society is the best type of society. And that in turn has inspired me to, and other people, my friends who work with me on the subject, to think of systems and new ways that we can promote free, progressive thought, and that will help contribute to the vision of a society that is well educated. And all these things combined, having a vision, executing it, and having in our mind the idea that society needs education will help us to, cure all the ills of the world. Thank you for watching this brief video. If you have any comments, questions, or you disagree with me, just post in the discussion board. Thank you.